Today I'm cooking a Canadian Thanksgiving dinner for Kelsey and Thompson, and I'm gonna do it in Idaho, and I'm so excited to cook Thanksgiving dinner out of 2 vans, and I'm also really curious to see how much power it uses, and I can't wait to show you. This is cute.
It is cute. This is like what I would do on the islands when I was yacht stewardessing too, though. We get like stuff for the table on the island.
Beautiful.
They're pretty. Alright,
Hey, what we got in here?
Probably about halfway.
Oh my god, it's looking so good.
It is looking really good.
That's our turkey.
Yes, that'll be so good.
Okay. Now we're gonna do some Brussels. Okay, we're making cranberry sauce. I'm doing it by taste. Thinking we just load it up with sugar. Yeah. I'm so happy I'm making homemade cranberry sauce. It's so much better than I can.
What is that little thing?
Don't eat it.
Good, gentle. Good, gentle.
Gentle, that's nice. A typical Canadian Thanksgiving dinner consists of homemade cranberry sauce, mashed potatoes, roasted veggies, and of course the turkey itself with stuffing and gravy. Because we were doing our turkey in the Instant Pot, we covered it with mayo and Dijon to keep it moist. Because you can't really use metal in that pot. We could use metal in the cast iron. We could swap the potatoes for cast iron, and then we could blend them with a fork in the cast iron. Let's do that. Okay, there's a hair in here. I can see it. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of potatoes. I don't know, what am I cooking for? 10 people, apparently. So I need this. Hey, I'm here to interrupt you really quickly to talk about today's video sponsor, Waggle. This is our pet monitor designed to alert pet owners of their RV temperature when their pets are left alone inside the vehicle. So let's open up this box, see what's inside, and talk about some of the features. You guys want to know the best part? Their Black Friday Cyber Monday sale is on right now, and you can grab the pet monitor and an entire year subscription for just $161. Ooh, I love this to go over my rear view mirror. Oh, and a sticker for the window too. You can't really see it, but I'm gonna show you what this looks like on my window because I'm gonna put it on. And here we have the pet monitor. Okay. The size of my palm, which we love, something compact and minimalist. Plug it in. So we're gonna let that charge. In the meantime, while that is happening, I'm gonna be talking to you about some of the features of this pet monitor. The Waggle pet monitor gives real-time humidity and temperature updates in the app, by text message, and by email. You can set it up so that it will give you an alert every 10 minutes for continuous monitoring when you're out of the vehicle. This is so important, especially for RVers, travelers, and anyone that has a vehicle and you're taking your dog. This is the key to keeping your pets safe. What I'm really excited to show you is what it looks like in the app. So here you can see the temperature. You can see that I've set it to a minimum of 10 and a maximum of 30 degrees Celsius. You can see the relative humidity, heat index, time, etc. One of my favorite features is that I can add friends and family's phone numbers and emails to the app so that they can also get notified if store is at risk. Our pets are our number one. They're our fur babies. Get a Waggle pet monitor today. You need to get this right now. It's the best sale. It's the best price to protect your fur baby.
Dummy, where's the gravy?
On the table.
What about the veggies?
Oh, the veggies.
Are they in the oven?
The Brussels. Oh, yeah, the damn out. Hi, Sora. Ooh. Nope.
I just need your tongs for the veggies.
Go.
We have mashed potatoes, stovetop stuffing, Brussels with
bacon and onion. And then your balsamic will be on there.
some balsamic for the Brussels. We have homemade cranberry sauce.
And gravy.
And gravy. And turkey. Looks so good. Okay, before tasting it, we've also got the veggies. Green beans and carrots. What do you think this is going to be out of a scale of 1 to 10 for a Thanksgiving dinner in a van?
10 out of 10 anywhere. This looks so
anywhere. 10 out of 10.
I'm so excited, Tommy.
hope the turkey's cooked.
Me too.
So,
I think so.
It looks cooked.
I think it's great, you guys. Does anyone know how to make a Thanksgiving toast? Do you guys do a Thanksgiving
Oh
toast?
no, but we can.
We did it.
Yes!
This
This is
so
sweet. Thank you
amazing.
so much for your help.
Yeah, this is so fun.
Would you like the
Sit.
end piece too? This
Yes,
Sure.
good girl. That's a good titty.
On top?
yeah.
Okay, gravy it up.
And yes, gravy. Gravy first and then a toast.
Yeah, is water for me. Thank you.
Oh, and the balsamic, put balsamic on your Brussels later. Let's do toast first.
Okay, toast. 2?
I haven't even
What are
got
we grateful for?
Brussels.
I didn't either.
I'm incredibly grateful for friendship and van life and presentness with my friends, and cheers, you guys.
That's really sweet.
This is phenomenal.
Okay, we're gonna each do a cheers.
Yeah.
I'm so grateful for van life and like public land to be able to be here and just enjoy a meal together. And I'm so grateful for friendship and chosen family.
Chosen
Yeah.
family. That's a good one.
Cheers.
Wow.
I'm thankful for friendship.
Sit down. Totally.
Thankful for dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good food. Nice people.
Hey.
Cheers.
And van life too.
Yeah, you're grateful for van
Yeah.
life? Yeah, I think we did.
Potatoes are still warm. Thank you.
Oh, go get Brussels too while they're still warm.
Oh no.
What?
So we're into the Brussels as well.
Oh, is she really?
Yeah.
Did you eat them?
She's
That's
just
okay.
munching on. I would recommend scooping and not using this because it was on the ground.
Wow, I feel this is so cool. This is the most decadent meal I've had on this table.
Really?
100%. So green beans was a big deal for you, huh, Thompson?
I mean, not specifically, no. But
Okay.
Okay.
I thought that was your like thing that you wanted.
No.
Oh,
I
My bad.
misunderstood, I guess. Has anyone done a van life Thanksgiving?
I don't know. I
Maybe
haven't seen one.
Potluck style, probably. Hey,
Who?
potluck style.
I don't know.
Like each van brings
probably.
like a potluck. Yeah.
Probably. I don't know about this though.
Thank
Thank you for coming down and giving me Thanksgiving.
You're so welcome.
I love that we have like a table setting from actual nature that looks professional.
It's beautiful. Thank you for doing that. Isn't that so nice? People pay like hundreds of dollars for
I was
that.
a yacht stewardess,
Okay.
and so like a table setting is like actually a big deal in yachting, and I freaking love. I love just gathering like fun stuff from. Maybe the Brussels. I didn't.
Let's
do
see what the
anything
batteries
on
are at.
Brussels.
50%.
Stop.
Too.
How do you cut into 3?
Peace sign.
Yeah?
Or just cut a couple slices. We don't have to eat the whole thing.
You don't?
That's way too much.
Wait, like that, and then like it'd be like that, and then like this, right? You think that's too much?
I think that's a lot.
Okay.
I mean, if you're
this much?
gonna eat it,
Like, is that a good size?
yeah,
As one. That's still quite a big piece.
that is a big piece.
I see. You're right. Thanksgiving.
It is Thanksgiving.
We don't mess around. We should probably go for a run tomorrow. Looks beautiful. When I bought this Trader Joe's cheesecake, it comes in a brown like cardboard box, so you can't actually. It says Trader Joe's pumpkin cheesecake, but you can't. You know, you like to see the pie you're picking.
Sure.
So you can't actually see it. So I
look,
couldn't
it's
see
perfect.
it. So I'm excited to taste what
It's
it tastes
perfect.
like.
It's really good. It's like.
Of course, I guess of course it is.
Yeah.
Trader Joe's, and it is the pumpkin spice whip.
That's great. Oh, they're so good, Dom.